This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and this is issue 17 of building the legendary Dodge Charger RT from Fanhome and Fast and Furious, because that's where it's from, but it's from them, but it's also from, you know where it is. Right, previously we have been building the engine. Today we are continuing building the engine. We've got a fan and things, and the charger toothed pulley thing. I don't know what they're all called, but there we go. Right, let's have a look. We'll start them off, as ever, looking through the magazine and all the fluff that they give us each week. We're talking about Jesse, the brilliant mechanic. Yeah, there we go. Very cool. Yeah, engines and stuff, and obviously a bit of a car, but not very much of it, but there we go, yeah. The Dodge brand in Canada. Canada has close commercial ties with the USA. Well, not just commercial, it's sort of next to it. It's quite close anyway. But there we go. Yep. I don't know. It's obviously they're sold there, so there we go. Right, we're doing the engine block. We're installing the alternator with its pulley and belt and crankshaft pulley and the supercharger and water pump belts. I don't know. It's engine stuff. I know nothing about it at all. We've got alternator brackets, pulleys, crankshaft pulleys, cooling fan base, water pump belts, and a couple of different types of screw, as ever. So we're going to start assembling at 17.1. Start assembling the alternator by getting these parts that look like this. We've got that bit, and an AP screw. What have we got in here? These are the AP screws. So let's just get one of those out for the time being, because that's the one that I'm going to be needing. I shall need a screwdriver, which I have over here. That is not that bit that I need. It's that bit that I need with the pegs on it. See, even the very first part I can get hideously wrong. That's going that way round. That's going that way round. So one of those is going through there, and the other screw is holding it in place like that. Get that screw to go into the screw hole. Feels like it's there, but it's not actually biting anywhere. Let's try again. That feels better. All right, let's make sure that's lined up there now, because it wasn't. And it isn't. Is that not right? Is it only? Are they different? They are. They're different. One's in different place to the others, so be careful you get it the right way round. Ah, interesting. Plugs on there are in slightly different locations. So that's now holding that there. Fair enough. Now we need the whole thing and the other part. All right, let's see. Place Pete to 17C. I think that's that bit. That goes over there like that. What does it say this is? This is the alternator. Okay. Then on the right side of the engine, this is the engine block coming in here. We need a CM screw. That up. Get one screw out of there. Cool. So that's going to go through that hole there. That's that way round, and it's going somewhere up there, like that. Like that. Only sort of goes in one place, so I'm guessing it's like that. It looks like that in the next picture, so Yeah, it only locates in place a bit like that. So we'll go for it there. If I can hold that there, while getting that there, and my finger's in the way so I can't see. There we go. That looks like the picture. I'm happy with that. The words can't really describe too much about where it goes there. It says align the free hole in the bracket with the hole in the front of the right bank of the engine. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Right, the next bracket, we need to attach this. Oh, that's going over the top of everything. Right, okay. So we've got a plug there that's going to go over that bit on there. I think. That's going on there, that's going over there, and that then will line up like that. Does that look right? 2 screw holes, so it should be. Let's get some more AP screws out. Let's see if they're going to actually go in where they should. I thought that was a metal bit behind there, but it probably isn't. Right, that's that one in there, so that'll stop it wobbling around. And this one should also line up down here. It is, it's lining up with the thing, so that must be okay. Get both of those tightened down in there. It's all coming together. We're getting shiny bits and black bits and orange bits and blue bits. It's all cool. Right. Now we've got to mount the alternator pulley, which are these 2 pieces from here. 17E and 17F. Are they different? I'm going to have to go back over the page, and so they are different, but I can't tell which one's which. Let me have a closer look at this picture, because that's going to be easier than trying to turn over pages and things. Yes, the big one is at the back. So we've got the big one there. Then we've got that one there. Like that. An AP screws going through there. Right, let's get there. Got that like that, with an AP screw going through it. That's honest. Okay. And that's going on to the end there. Of course it is. Let's try that again. Let's get that there. Get the screw through that. And all of that has got to go onto there. Feels about right, but I can't actually see it. Yeah, that's the thing. That fits as it should. Not quite right. That's not on there. We're going to have to loosen that and maneuver it a bit first. Get that over there. Not on there. Right, let's move that again a little bit further. Ah, that feels about right. Yeah, make sure you get things lined up just where they should. There we go. That's on there properly now. Then I can tighten it down. Nice. That's that. Easy. That's in place. Right, now we've got to do some more big making of stuff using all of this. IJJ, I don't know, what are they different? That's different, that's different. Those 2 are the same. So those 2 are going in the middle. That's going that side, and that's going that side. Like that, with a CM screw. The CM screw comes from this side. Yeah, that's not going to go through there. It's going to go onto this big post down here. Right. So let's try and hold that there. Get these dropped over there. Like that. Like that. Like that. one on the end there like that. Cool. And then the screw will hold them all in place. Like that. All coming together. All down as far as it can be. Get that tightened down again. Like that. I like that. So far so good. Right, now we've got to do some belts. I've got bits stuck to me. There we go. Let's move the fan thing over there, because I don't need that. That's an empty bag. That's an empty bag. They've got, probably used some more of them, but that's that. Right. Okay, now I know what I'm doing. Right, it says take the alternator belt over the alternator pulley. I don't know which one's which. It's going to be that one, I think, because the other one's not big enough to cover everything. So this has got to go around there, there, and there. Yeah, it's definitely not the smaller one. Back of that, and back of that. I like that. That works. That goes on there. Does the job. It's got some residue on there, but that will come off in use and while I'm maneuvering things around there. Then the smaller one just goes over the two of those. That one and that one. That's not right. I think I've gone too far back on that. Yes, I've gone too far back on that. They should be parallel, not backwards like that. So let me get a pair of tweezers. Let me tease this one to the forward of those. There we go. And then this one to the forward of those. Let's get the twists out of that. That looks nicer. That's not got twists in that one. That one has them there, so that needs to go around that way. That's better. There we go. Rid of that. That looks nice. That looks nice. Cool. That's that. So far, so good. Then the big boy. I've still got this one. I don't know about that yet. We haven't been told to use that yet, so I won't. This is going over there and there. Got no teeth on the inside. That'll go on there. Like that. I'm quite happy with that. That's looking like an engine, isn't it? That looks a lot like an engine now. So let's have a look over the page. Then we've got to put the fan together. So yeah, not using that quite yet, I think. We have a fan and multiple blades that just push through from the back. Like that. Yep, alright, okay. Get all of those in place. They're all the same, so it doesn't matter which one goes where. I don't know why they've moulded it with 3 on it and make us do the rest. But these always seem a strange combination of we could just make it and sell it to you ready built. But we need to, you know, let you build some stuff because it's a part work and that's what the part work's all about. But there always seems to be a strange cut-off point, and exactly what they decide will make you build and will build for you. It seems very strange. So this is then going on there with an AP screw. That's the one. Get this the right way round though, because the blade things are on that side, it's curving that way. And this is going onto black there. It's obviously a fan, something to do with airflow, air management, I don't know what. But that will go on there. Like that. that belt needs to go a bit further back, or it's just going to catch and ruck up with everything. Although it's not turning, so it doesn't actually matter like that, but nice to have it properly positioned. So that's that. Then we need to take the alternator wire, which comes off that plug on the other end and just hangs loose at the moment. So we've got that one extra socket on here. That goes onto, and then that goes elsewhere throughout the engine at some point in the near future. Extra screws I shall keep over to one side. Extra bags I should also keep because they're very, very useful. Obviously that, maybe next time we'll be adding that on. But yeah, that's all really starting to come together and look like an engine now, and I'm getting quite impressed with that. So that's the part of the build completed. Let me move that over there. We'll have a look at the custom exhaust system in the Tuning Mania section. It looks shiny and nice. I don't know anything about it, but it looks quite pleasant. Very symmetrical. Yeah, stainless steel or titanium. I would probably go titanium because it's very strong, very light. Hydroforming, I don't know what that is. Stainless steel tube is enclosed in a shaped die. The die must take the form of a silencer with lengths of exhaust pipe attached to each. I think that's some sort of way of creating it. Nice. Some sort of dual exhaust thing. All very pleasant there as well. And that's the end. That's it. If you want to read through the pages of the magazine, by all means, go back and rewind the video and pause it. You should be able to read them all quite clearly. That was issue 17. I do have issue 18 ready to go, so I shall get to building that momentarily, and it will be available for you to watch in the next few days. I hope you're enjoying the build. I hope you've liked and subscribed to the channel, and let me know what's going on. So I shall see you soon. Thank you very much. Bye-bye for now.